So on behalf of the Board of Trustees, I'm delighted to welcome you. This is the 30th convocation for the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai. And I want to really celebrate some of our most recent achievements. Since forming the Mount Sinai Health System, we've done nothing less than really revolutionize scientific discovery, as well as the delivery of medicine. Today we're honoring some of the remarkable physicians, scientists, and benefactors who share our vision and help us continue on our path of exploring possibilities and transcending limits. When we created the health system, we created not only the largest healthcare network in the Northeast, but what we believe is the most innovative. Recognizing that invention and discovery advance the practice of medicine, our vision was to expand and strengthen our already impressive research and clinical capabilities, and our investments have paid off. We've created state-of-the-art research facilities and recruited an extraordinary group of experts to run them. Many of the finest physicians, scientists, mathematicians, engineers, entrepreneurs, and computer scientists now push the boundaries of medicine at Mount Sinai. And today's honorees include world-renowned experts in neurology, oncology, surgery, trauma, pulmonary medicine, palliative care, orthopedics, neurogenetics, medical imaging, and bioengineering and community medicine. I don't know if there are any other disciplines left. Among other technologies, the work they work with two supercomputers analyzing big data, and through a biobank, which contains today genetic information on some 30,000 patients and is growing daily, they're able to create new ways to diagnose disease, customize treatments, and discover new medicines. To tell our remarkable story to the public, we're currently in the midst of an advertising campaign in the New York Times and the Wall Street Journal, and I hope many of you have seen the ads. These ads speak about adapting Silicon Valley principles of creativity, disruptive thinking, collaboration, and entrepreneurship. And that's not Madison Avenue copywriting. It's straight from the words of our dynamic dean, Dennis Charney, who's embraced that approach in leading the medical school, and from Dr. Kenneth Davis, our president and CEO, who leads us all. Under their leadership, we're collaborating with numerous high-tech entrepreneurial organizations, from startups to Google and Apple, to accelerate the speed of medicine and expand clinical boundaries. And there's another major change underway in our country, which is the way medicine is being practiced. We're shifting from a fee-for-service medicine model to population health management. And the size and breadth of our system enables us to take a leading role in promoting that shift, from isolated and intermittent treatments to continuous and coordinated care, emphasizing wellness programs to help people lose weight, stop smoking, lower their blood pressure, and reduce the risk from a number of diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. In other words, our objective is to keep them well and keep them out of the hospital. Just as our patients rely on comprehensive care and breakthrough treatments, generations of our family and our faculty have relied on the vision and generosity of our benefactors to support our research enterprise and to make our work possible. We're extremely grateful for the generosity of these remarkable philanthropists, and I'm really honored today to publicly recognize a number of them. So thank you to Sarah and Eric Lane for endowing the Sarah and Eric Lane Professor of Pulmonary Medicine, for Eric's leadership as a trustee, and his commitment to the work of Dr. Louis DiPaolo. The Robert Wood Johnson Foundation for establishing the Willard T.C. Johnson Research Professor of Neurogenetics. I want to thank Jane Friedman, a long-term supporter of Mount Sinai Beth Israel. Both the Gerald J. and Dorothy R. Friedman Chair in Palliative Care and the Gerald J. Friedman Chair in Oncology are supported through the Gerald and Dorothy Friedman New York Foundation for Medical Research. Thank you to 40 of Dr. Barry Solsky's grateful patients and friends. I know many of you are here to us today, for funding the Salke Professorship of Surgery. This initiative celebrates Dr. Salke's impressive career while leaving a lasting legacy. Thank you to the donors who made this professorship possible, and to Dr. Salke for being the type of surgeon who inspires this kind of generosity. The Lucy Goldsmith Moses Foundation for endowing the Henry P. and Georgette Goldsmith Professor of Neurology in memory of her parents. And finally, to the Lavenberg Corner House Foundation for endowing the Ethel Wise Professor of Community Medicine in honor of Miss Weiss, who directed a clinic at Mount Sinai early in her career. Through the support of all our loyal donors, we've embraced innovation and entrepreneurship to help implement sweeping changes that will benefit patients, transform medicine, and serve the overall medical community and the general population for generations to come. So congratulations to all of our recipients, and thank you for your support.